Oh, hey, there you guys are. Nice for you to join us. We're up here on top of one of the higher points on 14A here in the Big Horn Mountains, and we are headed to Red Lodge, Montana for the Beartooth Rally. We're going to be going over Chief Joseph and the Beartooth Pass today as well, and we'll end up in Red Lodge later on this afternoon. So sit back, enjoy the ride. Make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you. Made it to the bottom of Chief Joseph Highway. Yeah, stopped to put our rain gear on because looks like we're gonna get it. But anyway, yeah. So the fun begins now. So we'll see you at the Dead Indian Pass. Hey guys, at this point in the video we're coming up on Dead Indian Pass, and we were going to be meeting some friends at the rest area here, the lookout that's on top of Chief Joseph. And it was raining pretty hard and I was looking for them, and luckily they weren't on top there because we'd seen lightning and it was raining substantially, and I wasn't really in the mood to stop as I could see the blue sky on the other side of the valley. So we continued on down, and lo and behold, here in a few minutes you'll see that we met up with them. So hope you guys are enjoying the video.
To get some more clothes on, homie. It's wet down there. It's wet? What's up, man? How are you?
Good, how are you doing?
Good. Carla? Sweet.
Are you soaked?
They're good. They got a dry and ride.
We just stopped to put our chaps on, so I am.
Yeah, we're all wet and cold.
We're going that way though, right?
Yeah, we're going that way.
Oh, wow.
We are?
Oh.
We were supposed to meet you at the top. We didn't make it that far.
Oh, I see. Oh.
We had to pull over and get some more clothes on.
Oh, because I was like, I went past her and I was like, they're not there. They must.
We were headed that way.
Okay. It's a good thing I brought a fresh pair of socks and my flip flops because
Is that all you brought? One pair of socks and your flip flops? No, true biker.
I'm not hanging out up there. There's a bunch of dudes standing next to a semi trailer. I'm like, there's a lightning.
We'd about met up.
About a mile.
They pulled over
so
down
not
below,
far.
so we pulled up here to get our